All right, hello and welcome to this video training. So this video is going to serve as episode number 28 of the Mblockers Friday live training series. Are you excited, guys? So today we're going to be covering a very practical topic. All right, this is a topic that a lot of persons have asked questions about, and it's a topic that I know will actually help you drive results in your business. All right, so I want to thank you all for keeping a date with us on this training series. It's always a thing we look forward to every week, and I believe you guys look forward to it as well. All right, so I want to thank you. I want to appreciate us for always jumping on the call. All right, so worthy of mention is that today's session is going to be slightly different, right? It's going to be a semi-live session. So what I mean by that is we're going to have this session pre-recorded and uploaded to the community by 11 a.m. EST, while we are going to be on the comment section to get all your questions while you're watching through the session. All right, so it's going to be a slight different to our usual flow. All right, so it's not going to be fully live. This session is actually a pre-recorded session, as you already know, because it's going to be an uploaded video. All right, so but it's going to be a semi-live session, but all the excitement and all the insights are going to be 101% delivered. All right, so today's topic, which you already know, is how to create vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram and Facebook Reels, for TikTok or any other platform using Marketing Blocks AI. All right, so we're taking this topic today for two reasons specifically. Number one, we've got quite a number of persons ask us on support and also on the community, hey, how do I create a reel? Can I create a reel with Marketing Blocks? And all of those kind of questions. So today, this session is going to be answering all those questions. All right, and number two, vertical content is actually very hot right now. So with the power of Marketing Blocks, want you to also catch in on that, to grow your following, to grow your engagement, to grow your authority, etc. So by the end of this training, you'll be able to create super engaging and professional vertical videos, all right, to use for your marketing, to use for your brand, to use for your agency, and even to sell to clients. All right, so without wasting more time, we're going to dive into that shortly. But before I do that, I'd like to actually run us through a very quick announcement. All right, so on Wednesday, the 15th of November by 8 p.m. EST, for the very first time, we're going to be holding a special AI plus Marketing Blocks hangout. All right, this is the first time we'll be doing something like this, and believe me, you don't want to miss out on that experience. Basically, we'll be delving into the incredible world of AI, exploring ways to elevate your lives and businesses using the breakthrough technology of Marketing Blocks. And guess what? That's not even all right? We'll also reveal a step-by-step plan to owning a fully operational AI automation agency and earning above 4 to 5 figures monthly. All right, guys, if this is something that sounds interesting to you, then I want to implore you to click on the registration link, which will be dropped on the comment section of this video, so you can actually register to secure your spot. So guys, we actually have limited spots on this particular hangout. All right, so Marketing Blocks community is over 30,000 users. All right, and for this hangout, we have just a limited spot of 500. So you'd want to click on the link to secure your spot. All right, so now let's jump into the gist for the day. All right, so let's jump into the gist for today. So we said our topic for today is how to create vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, for Instagram and Facebook Reels, for TikTok or any other platform using Marketing Blocks AI. All right, so I'm going to be breaking this training into two main parts. So number one, I'm going to be giving us a background, because I know some of us do not know what vertical content are. All right, so I would like to give us a background, like a context, so we understand what vertical contents are, why we should pay attention to vertical content, and then we're going to move to the second segment where I'm going to show you how to do that using Marketing Blocks. Does that make sense? So if today's topic is something that is exciting, all right, let me know in the comment section. Give me a fire emoji as you're watching this video right now. All right, so I'm going to give us a moment to do that. Alright, so let us jump into segment number 1. What are vertical videos and why should we pay attention to it? So, for those of us that do not know, vertical videos are videos that are shot and viewed in a portrait orientation rather than the traditional landscape orientation. So, a video like this is actually a vertical video. Alright, so in recent years, vertical videos have gained popularity due to the rise of social media platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, which are primarily accessed on your mobile device. All right, so the question now comes: why are vertical videos becoming more popular by the day? One reason for that is that they are more natural to view on your mobile device. All right, so when we hold our phones upright, we are more likely to watch videos in portrait orientation. This is because it feels more comfortable and natural to hold your phones in that way, as against having to rotate your phone to help you have a better experience. So with vertical videos, you don't have to rotate your phone, you just hold it in the normal upright direction to consume the content. So another reason why vertical videos are gaining popularity is that it allows for immersive and engaging content. So by filling the entire screen, vertical videos can capture a viewer's attention more effectively than a traditional landscape video. This is especially true for social media platforms, where users are often scrolling through their feeds quickly and need to be grabbed by something eye-catching. All right, so overall, vertical videos are powerful. All right, they're super powerful for creating engaging and immersive content that is optimized for mobile devices. Right, so by understanding the benefits of vertical videos and how to use them effectively, you can create more compelling and effective content for your audience. Additionally, vertical videos are popular for short form content. All right, with the rise of platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and the rest, users are consuming content in shorter bursts and have shorter attention span. So vertical videos are perfect for capturing attention quickly and delivering your message in a concise and engaging manner. All right, so before the user says Jack Robinson, you've actually caught their attention and actually delivered the crux of your message. All right, so vertical videos enable creators to get their message across quickly and effectively, increasing user retention and engagement. All right, so the standard dimension for vertical videos is actually 9:16 aspect ratio. All right, and then vertical videos are what you commonly know as Reels for Instagram and Facebook, Shorts for YouTube, and the rest of them. So like I just mentioned, platforms that actually give this natural view or natural experience for vertical videos are TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, and even platforms like Facebook and YouTube, which were previously not vertical video focused, now have a special layout and experience for it. YouTube now has YouTube Shorts, and Facebook now has Facebook Reels. So your ability to tap into vertical video content creates a whole new world of opportunity for you and your business. So this is why we are actually taking this training today. And with marketing blogs, you can actually create professional and engaging vertical videos on the go. All right, and right now I'm going to jump into my editor right now to show you how to do that. Now this brings us to segment number 2. Let us create a vertical video quickly in this training session. So right now I'm on my marketing blogs dashboard. So what I'll just do is to click on create a video right here, or I can as well click on create with AI button, and then I'll navigate to the AI video creator. All right, so I'll click on that. So once I do that, it brings me to the video dashboard. So I'll click on the create new button and I'll give my title a name. So let's say I'm going to create a vertical video for a reputation for my reputation management agency business. All right, so I'm just going to say reputation management reel. All right, say I'm creating a reel that I want to share across my social media accounts on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, and the rest. All right, so if I have a preferred color for my brand, or I have a preferred color I want to use for this particular video, I can just make that selection here. So I'll just do that very quickly so we can move to the other part. So when you're done with that, you click on next. All right, so right here you have the option to either add your script, or you can ask AI to generate for you. So if I already have my script for my reel, I can just click on this option, add your script, then I'll click on next. But for this particular demonstration, I'm going to actually allow AI to create a script for me. So I'm going to click on generate with AI, and then I'll click on next. So this brings us to the script description or keyword. So here I'll just enter a description of what I want the AI to set up for me, and then I'll click on next. So to do that very quickly, so right here I'll just enter a keyword or a description of the script I want AI to write for me. So just give me a moment to whip one up from the top of my head right now. All right, so I'm asking the AI to write a real video script selling my reputation management services. So once that is done, I'll just click on next. And interestingly, you can actually create a full-blown and a very compelling video script just from a keyword. So you can just put a single keyword that describes what you want to achieve. So right now, AI has generated a beautiful script for me, which I think is awesome. So if you're not cool with the script, you can click on the regenerate script button right here, and it's going to rewrite the script for you. Or if you want to change probably your keyword or give it better context, you can click on new script with AI, and it's going to give you this option to update your keyword, and you're going to get a more streamlined result. So I think I'm good with what I have. So what I'll just do next is to click on everything good, proceed. So once I click on that, the AI now is going to generate a video for me. All right, so this is where it gets interesting. So we'll just give it a few moments to load up, and then we're going to see how to turn our promotional video that Marketing Blocks is going to generate for us into a vertical content that we can share as a Facebook reel, as an Instagram reel, as a YouTube shorts, as TikTok videos, as Snapchat videos, and what have you. All right, so we'll give it a moment to load up. All right, so the video has been fully created. So now, let me welcome you to the Marketing Blocks AI Video Creator dashboard. But guys, for today, we're not actually doing a full-blown video content. We're actually trying to see how to create a vertical content. So as you can see right here, this is a full landscape traditional video. All right, and Marketing Blocks can help you do that for your promos, for your branding videos, and for your marketing videos and all of that. But for the purpose of this particular training, we're going to be looking at how to create a vertical content. So what you want to do is to come over to this option right here and click on settings. So when you do that, you're going to see different dimensions. All right, so you can create landscape video, which is what we currently have here. You can create a square video because you also have a peculiar use case for a square video. But for the purpose of this training, we're actually creating a vertical video. So I'm going to select vertical, and automatically Marketing Blocks is going to transform all the scenes into a vertical content. So all you now have to do is just to customize to fit exactly what you want, and then you click on generate. So I'm just going to try and do a little bit of customization very quickly, and then we can jump on to generate the video and see how it comes out. So first of all, let me play what I have, or before then I can just come right here to do some customizations. I can try to reduce the background sound. I can even go ahead to change the background sound. All right, you can choose from our library of background music, and then you can also upload from your local device right here. All right, so you can upload from your local device. So alternatively, you can also add a voiceover to each of the scene. Take note, the AI has written a script for you already, and this is part of the script, as you can see right here. But currently there's no voiceover. I'll just play so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so as you can see, there's no voiceover on this particular video yet. So to add a voiceover, all I'll just have to do, probably drag this back here. I'll click on add voice. So right here I can select my preferred voice. All right, so I can select my language from this list. All right, and then I can select my preferred voice from this list, and then you tick on the option add to all scenes. So what this means is that you want to generate and set voiceover on all scenes at a go. If you want to do it scene by scene, you can go ahead to just click on generate and set voiceover, and it's going to do that for just this scene. But then we'd want to put it on the entire scene. So I'm going to tick on this option. All right, and then I'm going to click on generate and set voiceover. So we're going to give it a few seconds to do that, and then we're going to see what we have. So awesome. All right, let's see how it comes out. All right, so I'm going to click on this.
Our negative online reviews and damaging articles.
Can you see that? So the voiceover has been created and set on each scene. So all you just have to do right now is you can actually change the media image you have on the background. So if you're not cool with this, you can actually search from our library. You can also upload from your local device. You can use a video, you can use an image, you can use a solid color. All right, so you have 100% customization with this, and more than that, you can also add animation to the background. How do you want the background to slide in? All right, you have animation to the background. You can say, oh, let the background fade in, let it wipe left, and these are all customization and power you have with this particular tool. And then more than that, you can also add customization and animation options to all of the options and elements you have on the scene. As you can see, I can add to this particular element, I can add to my text, and I can add to my background. And when I click on my text, you're going to see a lot more options. You can actually change your font type, your font size, the text color, the background color. All right, you can change orientation, you can make it bold, you can make it italics, you can use our beautiful text designs. All right, you can use our beautiful text designs and all of that. So what you do next is to go through scene by scene and be sure that what you have is actually what you want. So if you're not cool with any of the background sessions, you can as well change it. All right, so let's take a look at how it all comes together now. So like I said, you can actually change your media background. You can do a lot of customization. You can change your media background. You can use video, images, colors. All right, I've mentioned all of that before. And then you can also do the whole background music customization. You can add your voiceover like I've done and all of that. And interestingly, a new addition we added, you can actually add a watermark. So probably you're working for a client and you want to send them a sample preview. You can add a watermark so that they cannot be able to use the video until you have maybe a complete agreement or something like that. All right, so now let us see how the video comes together. So I'll just play a bit of it and then we can go ahead to click the generate button.
Are negative online reviews and damaging articles affecting your business's reputation? Introducing our reputation management services, designed to protect and enhance your online image. Our team of experts will work tirelessly to monitor and manage your
Alright, so as you can see, the video is super awesome and it actually comes in the vertical content dimension. Alright, it comes in the vertical content dimension. So all you have to do is just to, like I showed you, come over to settings, then switch the dimension to vertical and then go ahead to customize every scene as you see fit. Alright, customize every scene as you see fit. You can change the text, you can change the script, you can change your voiceover language, you can choose different voiceover artists and all of that. And when you're satisfied, you just hit the generate button and then that is it. So in a few seconds to minutes, depending on the length of your video, the video will be fully generated and we can play it and see how it all comes together. All right, so this is how you actually create a vertical content in Marketing Blocks AI. All right, so it's currently processing. All right, so it's currently processing, and in a few seconds to minutes, like I said, depending on the length of your video, it's going to be fully processed, and then you're going to have the ready. You're going to have it as ready. So for this one on draft, it's a video that is actually not generated yet. So it's actually a video I created, but I've not hit the generate button yet. So I just saved and exit. So it's saved as draft. Then this one is fully generated, all right, and then this one is processing at the moment. So as you can see, this is the title I gave it. So in a few more seconds, it's going to be fully generated. I'm going to play it for us. So basically, that is how to create a vertical video in Marketing Blocks. All right. So if you have any questions regarding what we have done so far, please do well to add it on the comment section as you're watching, and be rest assured every one of your comments is going to be attended to. So whether as per using the editor, or maybe a question about one of the stuff I did or what have you, or probably how to get better results with your vertical content and all of that, you can just drop your comments on the your questions on the comment section, and then we're going to respond to you. So awesome. So as you can see, it's fully ready now. So I can actually click right here and then maybe click on share to watch. So when I click on the play button right here, it's going to bring up the video. So I can click here to play the video. As you can see, it's actually a vertical video. All right, it's a vertical video. It's a short content which you can use for your Facebook reel, Instagram reel, TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, and what have you. All right, and it has the perfect length still. All right, because the ideal length for a short content, all right, is actually 35 to 59 seconds, and this one is falling in the right average of 47 seconds. All right, and then you can copy this link right here to share, to grab a share link, and then you can actually put an email address here and click on share to share it with probably a teammate or a VA or a client. So I'll just click on the play button so we can see how the video comes out.
Are negative online reviews and damaging articles affecting your business's reputation? Introducing our reputation management services, designed to protect and enhance your online image. Our team of experts will work tirelessly to monitor and manage your online presence, ensuring that only the best information about your business is displayed. We'll remove harmful content, respond to negative reviews with professionalism, and promote positive feedback to boost your credibility. With our reputation management services, you can take control of your online reputation and attract more customers. Don't let a few negative comments tarnish your hard-earned reputation. Contact us today and let us build a positive online image for your business.
All right, so how cool was that? All right, amazing, right? So you can actually do this for yourself right now. You can churn out videos in literally minutes. So all you have to do is just to follow the steps as I've shown it. You can actually rewind the video to see any of the process or see any of the steps and get more insight to how it's done. So when you're good to go, like I said, you can copy a share link right here. All right, and then you can also put an email address and share probably with a client. All right, you can also put an email address right here and probably share with a client. So, and additionally, you can also download your video right away to your local device. So this is how you create a short video content or a vertical video content in Marketing Blocks. It's super easy and anybody can do it. All right, so thank you guys for joining in and for jumping on this call with me. All right, thank you for watching, and also we're looking forward to your questions and then your questions and your comments. All right, and be rest assured every comment is going to get a response from the team. All right, thank you again for joining in. I look forward to seeing you next week. And before I sign out, I want to actually remind us for the training session I initially announced. All right, the AI hangout. So guys, you're gonna you do well to click on the link on the comment section so you can actually register and book your spot. All right, so thank you for joining this training session. See you next week. Bye bye.